Rufa May ibinibenta ang kondo sa Makati sa halagang 45.5 milyon pesos. Ibinibenta na ng komedyanang si Rufa May Quinto ang condominium unit niya sa Makati City sa halagang 45.5 milyon pesos. Ipinost ng aktres ang video ng kabuuan ng kanyang unit na aabot sa 146 square meters kaya pala ganito kamahal at nasa Makati area pa. The Greenbelt at Residences rent 150,000.00 monthly including dus isang-year rent no short-term. For sale 45.5 m. The Residences at Greenbelt, San Lorenzo Tower, isang bedroom loft W, balcony, 2 floors, 146 square total floor area, including dalawang car parking, furnished, 1 T at B, isang powder room, 1/4 W, T at B. Ang daming nag-like sa post na ito ni Rufa May at iisa ang tanong kung HM o how much kahit na nakalagay na sa post ang lahat ng detalye. May netizen na nagkomento, $910,000. Not worth it. I would rather buy a house in California worth like. That's the price of a 3,000 square feet apat-ber 2.5 bath in the more expensive area in California. No offense po. Ipinagtanggol naman ng isa pang netizen ang aktres, sabi ni @LolaMary8888, at its_LMD well that's in Ayala and specifically in Greenbelt, do you know much is the cost per square in that area? At its_LMD only those who are filthy rich can buy it, I'm sure you don't have 45.5 m in your bank account right now, sabi pa niya. Komento naman ni @Ij_Herrera, at Lance Derek usually yung mga nagtatanong ng ganyan sa comment hindi naman talaga bibili or magrerenta. As usual ang tanong, bakit ibinebenta na ni Rufa May ang property niya na nasa prime area pa? Mag-downgrade na kaya siya ng bahay o babalik na siya ng Amerika for good? Mr. Kasag pa subscribe for more videos.